Welcome back to All Things Ideal and our cooking segment with Chef Darian Bryan in his kitchen, the Plating Society in Buffalo, New York. Today, he's going to make for us a flank steak with cauliflower rice.
Fajita-Style, you know.
Fajita-Style?
Yeah, Fajita-Style. All the colors, I love the colors. I'm from Jamaica, I love bold colors, you know. So when I see the red, you know, the gold and the green, I'm like, I'm all in.
I'm in.
So first thing first, we have beautiful flank steak here. That's just beautiful. You like flank steak?
I do.
It's not a cut that most people really talk about. I feel like it's underrated. It's a beautiful cut of meat. So we're just gonna rub it up, both sides.
But it's not just the cut of meat, but how you cook it.
Yeah.
How you prepare it.
That smoked paprika again, man. Add that nice smoky element to this dish.
What is your favorite spice?
That's a good question. You know, I love salt and pepper. Salt and pepper go a long way, you know? But I love cinnamon and nutmeg. It's just because of the way I grew up in Jamaica, you know what I mean? That cinnamon and nutmeg is like a must in every home in Jamaica. So whenever you're grilling, make sure you put some oil in the grill, or a little spray,
Right.
or else it's gonna stick. You wanna
Okay.
put some oil in the protein and also on the grill.
Okay.
So we're gonna lay it down. Hear that sizzle? Your neighbor's gonna come over like wondering what's that amazing smell.
It does smell great. I walked in here about a half an hour ago and everything already smelled so good.
That was just my cologne, you know? All right, so we get this pan going.
Now the flame under that's pretty high.
Yes, you want a nice char in your steaks. I got some sesame oil. Just a little bit just to coat the pan.
Why sesame oil and not olive oil?
Because I love sesame oil for a dish like this. And I would say it's just much, like, tastes better and also healthier too, you know, sesame.
It's good for you, sure.
Yeah. And we get that rolling, get it nice and hot. Then the rice goes in.
And we did not see you prepare that cauliflower, but how did you do that?
So you can find these in the frozen aisle. Frozen veggies and fruits is good for you. It's not like it's bad. It's quick and easy.
Sure.
And also you can put in a food processor and chop it up and turn it into rice.
Okay.
You season this a little bit, just a little salt and pepper. A little bit. Check the steak. See what we got. We got some color, need more color though. Because you know color equals flavor, especially in my kitchen.
Okay.
All right, so while that's going, we turn this down. We're gonna cut these up. So we're gonna grill these up, get some nice color in them. Toss this up a little bit. Let's check our steak to see what we're looking like. We're gonna turn this a little bit right there. Nice little cross mark on it. Ooh, look at those colors, man. Remind me of home. Look at that. So what we're going to do, we're going to plate. And toss it up, and we're going to plate.
So folks, eating healthy can be fun, it's delicious, and once you start eating the healthy vegetables, you don't want the unhealthy things. At least I don't. Do you find that's true?
That's true. Because when I cook for, you know, most of the NFL players and stuff like that, you know, they eat all the healthy stuff, and I find myself eating it too. I'm like, oh, this is fun. This is tasty. It's delicious. So we're going to take this off. We're going to let it rest. You don't want to cut it in right away or else it's going to bleed out. You want all of those juice go back where they come from, right?
All right.
All right. So
How
we're
long
going
do
to
you
flip
let
this.
it sit before cutting it?
Normally, they say at least like 3 to 4 minutes. Oh, man.
Oh,
Look at
that's
that.
beautiful.
Look at that.
Darian.
We're eating with style. There's a little pink right there. It's okay, too. We're eating with style today. Got a little parsley right here.
Hence the name,
Just to
the
top it off.
Plating Society.
That's what we do. That's what we do.
Beautiful.
And some soy sauce on the side, just for dipping. You know, I'm gonna show you how to do it, just like this. That's delicious.
And folks, this is a dish you can make at home. Even though it's Buffalo, New York, I grill 365 days a year outside, and you can too. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.
Let's do it.
All things ideal.